Duherereye mu gihugu cya Canada aho uyu munsi wa none twasimbukiye kuri stade cyangwa se ku kibuga cy'umupira w'amaguru ahari kubera shampiyona ya Afrika AFCON.
Nitwa Moise abandi kapiteni w'ikipe y'u Rwanda hano Winnipeg. Tukaba turi gutangira irushanwa rya African Cup. Uyu ni umukino wacu wa mbere kumwe na Sudan. Urabona ko turi kumyuka abahungu bacu hano turi ready gutsinda Sudan.
Ariko nanone biza kurangira Congo itsinze Eritrea ibitego 2-1. Match yagaragayemo amahane menshi aho bakongomani bagiye bagaragaza kwitwara nabi cyangwa se discipline nkeya aho barimo bashaka kuba barwanya Eritrea.
It was a good challenging match. Yeah, it was good.
So do you think you will win this championship?
Absolutely, without a doubt.
Ni shampiyona iba buri mwaka ihuza amakipe y'ibihugu bya Afrika batuye muri gihugu cya Canada. Akaba ari shampiyona ikomeye kandi irimo amafaranga menshi cyane.
From Congo. My parents are Congolese, but I was raised in Kenya.
You come from Congo?
Yes.
Wow. Can you speak Lingala?
No, I don't speak Lingala, but I
Which
speak
language
Swahili.
do you speak in Congo?
Kiswahili.
Kiswahili?
Yes.
Uko salama?
Niko sawa.
Na mimi nimetoka Congo.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Ibihe byiza kuri mwese mukomeje kudukurikirana kuri Voice of Umulenge, turizera ko mumeze neza n'abatameze neza nabo turasabira kuza kumera neza. Tukaba twongeye kubaha ikaze mu biganiro byacu kuri microphone ni Andrance the Voice of Umulenge cyangwa se ijwi ry'Umurenge, ikinyamakuru giharanira ubumwe n'ubwiyunge impirimbanyi z'amahoro. Niba ari ubwa mbere ugiye kubana natwe turagusaba ko wakora subscribe, share, like and comment kugira ngo uzagende ubana natwe umunsi ku wundi. Tukaba duherereye mu gihugu cya Canada aho uyu munsi wa none twasimbukiye kuri stade cyangwa se ku kibuga cy'umupira w'amaguru ahari kubera shampiyona ya Afrika AFCON. Hakaba hari match zikomeye uyu munsi aho Congo igiye guhura na Eritrea ndetse u Rwanda nago rukaza guhura na Sudan. Rero ni match zikomeye uyu munsi, bikaba ari bwo bwa mbere bagiye guhura muri shampiyona, dore ko ari shampiyona igenda igaruka buri mwaka ihuza amakipe y'ibihugu bya Afrika batuye muri gihugu cya Canada. Akaba ari shampiyona ikomeye kandi irimo amafaranga menshi cyane, dore ko ari amakipe yagiye yiruganiza bitewe n'igihugu bagiye baturukamo. Ariko nanone umukinyi akaba yemerewe kuba yakinira indi timu mu gihe baba bafitanye amasezerano cyangwa se mu gihe baba bamuguze. Rero uyu munsi wa none hari match ebyiri zikomeye kandi dore ko zituruka muri Grarac mu bihugu twagiye duturukamo. Hariho match y'abakongomani, hakaza kubaho na match y'abanyarwanda. Abakongomani bakaba bahuye na Eritrea, akaba ari match yari ikomeye cyane. Timu y'abakongomani ni timu ikomeye ikunze no kugera finale. Uyu munsi rero bakaba bari bafite gukina na Eritrea, akaba ari nayo match yatangiye, akaba ari nayo yafunguye shampiyona ya AFCON hano mu gihugu cya Canada. Ni match yari ikomeye, ni match yari samaje aho warebaga buri timu ifite amahirwe yo kuba yatsinda. Ariko nanone biza kurangira Congo itsinze Eritrea ibitego 2-1. Ni match yagaragayemo amahane menshi aho bakongomani bagiye bagaragaza kwitwara nabi cyangwa se discipline nkeya aho barimo bashaka kuba barwanya Eritrea. Ni match yagiye igaragaramo amakarite menshi ariko birangira abakongomani begukanye intsinzi. Nyuma akaba haje gukurikiraho umukino waje guhuza ikipe y'u Rwanda na Sudani y'Amajyepfo. Akaba ari umukino abantu benshi bari bafitiye amatsiko, dore ko hari yitabiriye abanyarwanda benshi aho bari bafite icyizere ko bari buze kwegukana intsinzi. Ariko ikipe ya Sudani ikaba itaje korohera ikipe y'u Rwanda. Ariko nanone mbere yuko tuza kugaruka kuri uyu mukino, reka tubanze tubagezeho ikiganiro twagiranye kigufi n'umuyobozi w'ikipe y'u Rwanda. Ariko nanone reka tubibutse ko bagifite amahirwe yo kuba bakomeza. U Rwanda rukaba rufite kuzongera guhura na Cote d'Ivoire. Ariko reka tubanze twumve ico umuyobozi w'ikipe y'u Rwanda yatangarije abafana. Muraho neza bwana manager? Muraho n'amahoro?
N'amahoro cyane.
Mumeze neza neza?
Cyane kabisa.
Winnipeg uyu munsi abantu batari Winnipeg wababwira ukuntu hameze?
Cyane Winnipeg nababwira yuko hari energy iri hejuru. Team yacu y'u Rwanda iratangira game yayo ya mbere muri tournament y'uyu mwaka.
Yes.
Kandi biragaragara ko ifite imbaraga. Rero dushoje duhishiwe dushaka kubona ukuntu uyu mwaka uzagenda.
Ubu match igiye gutangira mu kanya, ubu turi saa 2
zibura,
saa 3 zibura. Abantu iyo tubabwiye ngo saa 3 bigaragara nkaho ari ku manywa, abantu bari muri Afrika ntabwo babyemera, bumva ko tubabesha. Aya masaha turi saa 3 zibura iminota mike, ariko urabona ko hakirimo habona wagira ngo ni ku manywa cyane.
Nibyo. Nitwa Shema, ndi umwe mu wa Team Rwanda kandi umunyarwanda uba hano Winnipeg.
Yego.
Nanjye umunyarwanda umaze igihe hano, mba hano nkorera hano.
Ni bande mugiye gukina nabo mu kanya?
Ubu tugiye gukina na South Sudan.
Yego.
South Sudan ni ikipe ihagazeho, ifite amanota meza, yagiye amanota meza mu bihe byashize. Rero iraza kuba ari match iri competitive.
Ni igikombe muri gukinira, ni shampiyona, ushobora gusobanurira abantu byenda kugira ngo babashe kubyumva?
Ni igikombe turi gukinira, tugira shampiyona bayita Manitoba African Cup.
Yego.
Iba buri mwaka mu mpeshyi, muri summer. Kandi ni shampiyona ihuza community z'abanyafrika bari muri Winnipeg.
Yego.
Ni ukuvuga ngo abanyafrika bahari bava mu bihugu bitandukanye, bahuza imbaraga bakiorganiza.
Yego.
Bagakora ama-organisation y'ibihugu byabo.
Yego.
Hanyuma ama-organisation y'ibihugu byabo ikabafasha gukora ama-teams za siporo, harimo n'ama-teams y'imipira.
None u Rwanda munsi wa none mugiye gukina na South Sudan, nyuma y'uyu mukino niye yindi mikino mufite?
Izindi kipe ntago turamenya neza amakipe tuzahura nayo.
None se timu yanyu y'u Rwanda kuri ubu ihagaze gute ukurikije imyitozo mumaze igihe muri gukora?
Nkurikije imyitozo ngiye mfite icyizere cya timu yacu y'u Rwanda.
Yego.
Navuga yuko uyu mwaka dufite urubyiruko rwinshi, rufite imbaraga, rufite new energy.
Yego.
Kandi bari tayari kwitanga no gushowing up muri trainings ku buryo chemistry igenda ikura. Abakinnyi baragenda bamenyana, rero icyizere ni cyose.
None Shema, niki witeze nyuma y'uyu mukino?
Nyuma y'uyu mukino nditeze intsinzi.
Witeze intsinzi?
Niyo ntego ya mbere dufite nk'ikipe.
Yego.
Twiteze intsinzi kandi twiteze yuko iri butubere intangiriro yo kugira intumbero yo kugira icyo tugeraho muri ino shampiyona.
Hari abafana baje bari nyuma yanyu, abanyarwanda bavuga ururimi rw'ikinyarwanda, haba abanyamurenge n'abandi baje kureba uyu mukino. Ni iki wabatangariza?
Icyo nabatangariza ni uko bashonje bahishiwe.
Yego.
Timu yacu y'u Rwanda ntabwo ifite intego yo gutsinda gusa, ifite intego yo gushimisha abafana. Rero n'inkunga yabo turayikeneye kugira ngo energy na SP dukeneye mu kibuga. Murabizi abakurikirana umupira murabizi yuko umukino ni abafana.
Yego.
Rero turizera yuko bazatuba hafi, kandi natwe turizera kubaha ibyishimo bifuza.
Murakoze bwana Shema, turabashimiye kandi turabifuriza intsinzi.
Anytime, thank you. Murakoze cyane namwe, mwakoze kunyakira.
Alright.
Nitwa Moise, abandi kapitene w'ikipe y'u Rwanda hano Winnipeg.
Yego.
Tukaba turi gutangira irushanwa rya African Cup.
Yego.
Uyu ni umukino wacu wa mbere kumwe na Sudan. Urabona ko turi kumyuka, abahungu bacu hano turi ready gutsinda Sudan.
Amazina banzi nka Mugisha.
Okay.
Abandi gukinira timu yo mu Rwanda.
Timu yanyu yatsinzwe, imaze gutsindwa ibitego 5-1. Utekereza ko hari iki cyabiteye?
Njyewe icyo nabona cyabiteye.
Yego.
Ni lack of training.
Okay.
Twakoze imyitozo yagije. Twabashije kubona umwanya wo gukora imyitozo.
Yego.
Ariko hari umukino wa mbere, turacyafite indi mikino iri imbere. Tuzitegura kandi tuzatsinda.
Mugisha, niwe bari batezeho ko uza kubatsindira, niwe mwataka bari bafite. Byagenze gute kugira ngo ubure igitego muri uyu mukino?
Uyu mukino nago navuga ngo wari woroshye.
Yego.
Twabuze chance yagije kandi twagiye tuhura n'ibibazo bikomeye hagati yacu. Abakinnyi nta mipira bari kugeza imbere.
Okay, urakoze cyane Mugisha.
Amazina yanjye ni Kayiranga Faustin.
Yego.
Nkaba nkinira u Rwanda.
Kayiranga, mumaze gutsindwa n'itimu ya Sudan. Expectation yanyu kwari gutsinda iyi match muri championship mufitanye. None niki ubona cyaba cyabiteye gikomeye kugira ngo muze gutsinda?
ikintu cyabiteye gikomeye twabuze abakinnyi, hari abakinnyi bacu bataje,
yego,
so urumva twakinanye n'abakinnyi bashyashya, so ntabwo twari tuziranye, cyabaye ikintu nyine cyatumye tuba confused ukuntu mu kibuga tutaziranye, ndatekereza ko cyatumye dutsinda.
Muraho neza, nitwa Rusizana, nkaba ndi umukinnyi guturuka mu Rwanda, nkaba nkinira ikipe y'u Rwanda kuva umwaka ushize. Iyi ni season ya kabiri dukinye mu marushanwa, nkaba nkina Central Defense.
Murangije gukina na Sudani, aho murangije gutakaza umukino wanyu wabahujije na Sudani, uriyumva ute nyuma y'uyu mukino?
Mu by'ukuri ntabwo twishimye, turababaye kuba tubashije gutakaza uyu mukino. Ni umukino twari twiteguye neza muri rusange, ariko ntabwo bashije kutugendekera neza nk'uko twabyifuza. Tugiye gutegura match zikurikiyeho kugira ngo turebe ko twabasha kwitwara neza, kandi ikindi kuba dutakaje uyu mukino ntibivuze ko dukuye amahirwe. Turacyafite amahirwe yo gukomeza mu cyiciro gikurikiyeho, kubera ko tugisigaje izindi game. Tugiye gukosora ibitagenze neza kugira ngo tuzabashe kwitwara neza kuri match ikurikiyeho.
Utekereza ko ari iki cyaba cyabiteye kugira ngo muze gutsindwa uyu mukino?
Mu by'ukuri urebye n'andi makipe arimo, nitwe ugereranyije nitwe dufite squad ntoya, ariko mu by'ukuri kuba dufite squad ntoya ntabwo ari urwitwazo twabasha kwitwaza, ariko turagiye turebe n'abakinnyi bacu hari abatari bahari kubera impamvu z'akazi, ariko mu by'ukuri turagiye tuzagerageza muri game zikurikiyeho kugira ngo dukore na training muri kino cyumweru hagati, kugira ngo tuzagaruke turi strong. Ariko urebye ikipe nta kintu kinini yaturushije, baturushije kuba nyine bameze neza, nyine bari fit, baje biteguye cyane ko twaje twanakerewemo gakeya. Ubona ko dufite nyine abakinnyi bashyashya muri no rushanwa, ariyo mpamvu byatugoye cyane.
Bwana Rusizana, mufite undi mukino uzabahuza na Cote d'Ivoire, ni irihe somo mubashe gukura muri uyu mukino wabahuje na Sudan?
Mu by'ukuri urabona ko tudafite atake nziza, turagiye dushaka abataka bacu ntabwo babashije kuboneka kubera impamvu z'akazi, ariko twiteguye ko Cote d'Ivoire tuzabasha kuyibonaho amanota 3 byanze bikunze. Turagiye dushiremo imbaraga, abakinnyi tubaganirize, babe mentale mu mutwe, babe bahari ku buryo game tuzabasha kuyikinana imbaraga n'ishyaka.
Murakoze Bwana Rusizana, turabifuriza intsinzi.
Murakoze namwe cyane.
My name's Tom, playing for South Sudan.
Tom, why do you choose to play for Sudan?
You know, I had a friend, James Silvio. He asked me to play. Long-time friend, so he just got me over.
So, how do you feel after winning this game?
Oh, it's great. It's great. The guys played amazing. It's a good win. We got the momentum going for the next few games.
So, what do you think went wrong to Rwandan team?
I feel like honestly the formation we played, we had a lot of guys in the midfield. We made them work. We made them tired first half, and they were just chasing us for the rest of the game. So
was this game more difficult or easy than you expected?
Honestly, I didn't have too many expectations going into it. Just meeting it where it was. It was a good, challenging match. Yeah, it was good.
So do you think you will win this championship?
Absolutely, without a doubt.
So my name is Carlos. I play for South Sudan team.
All right. Carlos, how do you feel after winning this game?
I feel amazing.
Wow. This game was more difficult or easy than you expected?
At the start it was difficult, but like second half, so we changed the information how we play. So it was now like it's easy like to score. Like we had a lot of chances to score goals. So yeah, we did our best to score like more goals.
Carlos, what do you think went wrong to Rwandan team after winning this game?
I think just I was too fast for them, so they couldn't be able like to stop me.
Was this game more difficult or easy than you expected?
I felt like it's gonna be difficult, but yeah, when we play as a team, it's more easy.
Okay, so what would you like to say about this game to the fans?
I say like thank you for the fans for the supporting.
Okay.
As yeah, because of them, so they made like the game really exciting.
Carlos, do you think you will win this championship?
Yeah, for sure.
Sure.
I think yeah.
Yeah, Carlos, you are a good player. So what makes you strong?
Just working hard and training.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Carlos. All
Thank
right.
you.
Who am I talking to?
You're talking to Miriam Cabanessa.
Yes, Miriam. How are you?
I'm doing really well.
How are you feeling today?
Today I'm feeling pretty good. It's sunny outside and games are going on pretty well.
All right. Miriam, where you come from?
Me, I am actually from Congo. My parents are Congolese, but I was raised in Kenya.
You come from Congo?
Yes.
Wow. Can you speak Lingala?
No, I don't speak Lingala, but I
Which
speak
language
Swahili.
do you speak in Congo?
Kiswahili.
Kiswahili?
Yes.
Uko salama?
Niko sawa.
Na mimi nimetoka Congo.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Miriam, how long have you been working on this championship organization?
So I've been working for Canada African Cup of Nations for about 3 to 4 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Miriam, what is your favorite team?
So my favorite team right now, or the favorite team matchup, like games I've ever had, was the one against Congo and South Sudan last year.
All right. For now?
Yeah, for now.
For now.
Yeah. Okay. For now, though, I'm not sure because it's been going up and down. But I really believe maybe Senegal is an underdog, and you never know. Some of these teams are really coming up. You can't tell who's gonna win.
Miriam, how long have you been here in Canada?
Me, I've been here for 15 years in Canada.
Okay.
So I came from Kenya and I came here to Canada, and I've been schooling and playing here in Canada as well, even university as well.
What would you like to say about this organization?
It's a really good organization giving platform to our youth, especially Black athletes, to be able to have that platform to perform and show their skills.
Okay.
And some kids do have the opportunity to get scouted and everything from other universities.
Yes.
It's a good place for you to also embrace the culture and the art and celebrate who you are.
Thank you so much, Miriam.
Thank you.
All right.
aba rero akaba ari abakinnyi b'abanyarwanda bakinira ikipe yabo y'igihugu cy'u Rwanda hano muri Canada. Shampiyona yabahuje na Sudani y'Amajyepfo, bakaba barimo basobanura impamvu nyamukuru zatumye batakaza uyu mukino wabahuje na Sudani y'Amajyepfo. Bakaba bagaragaza ko hatabaye imyitozo ihagije, dore ko ngo abenshi ari abanyeshuri bari mu gihe cy'amashuri, ndetse nanone abakinnyi bamwe na bamwe bakomakomeye bakaba batabonetse, abakinnyi bakina hagati, ndetse bakaba bafite ngo n'imvune mu bakinnyi babo bakomeye ngo bahuye nazo mu gihe c'imyitozo, akaba ariyo mpamvu ngo nyamukuru yatumye batsindwa uyu mukino. Ni match yari ikomeye, match yaje kuremerera ikipe y'u Rwanda. Mu bigaragara mu maso nuko Sudani yabarushije umupira cyane, aho birangiye ibanyagiye ibitego 5-1. Ni match yaje kubabaza abafana ndetse n'abakinnyi b'ikipe y'u Rwanda, ariko nanone katubibutse ko iyi yari match yabo ya mbere ifungura champion. Nanone bakaba bafite gukomeza mu gihe baramuka batsinze Cote d'Ivoire ndetse n'umukino uzabahuza na Kenya. Kuri microphone yari Andrew, tukaba tubashimiye mwe mwabanye natwe mu kiganiro. Nanone tuzagenda tubagezaho update ku bijyanye ni shampiyona iri kubera muri iki gihugu cya Canada. Tukaba twagusaba ko wakora subscribe, share and like kugira ngo dukomeze tuzabane namwe umunsi kumwe. Kuri microphone nk'uko nari mbivuze ni Andrew, the voice of Mulenge, cyangwa se ijwi ry'Umurenge, ikinyamakuru giharanira ubumwe n'ubwiyunge, mpirimbanyi z'amahoro.